beer. And I fed hogs trying to pay him off for most of my senior year. I got my jaw jacked by a big old boy for messing around with his girlfriend. She was tall and tiny, she kissed just right, but I'll never do that again. Yeah, I've done some pretty stupid things, but hey, I'm a little bit harder and a whole lot smarter. That's how I got to be this way. I've been kicked in the face by a horse 'cause I ran up too fast behind him. And I've shook hands on a deal with a man and found out he was lying. I've broken a couple good girls' hearts 'cause I said I loved them knowing I couldn't.